So the way I like to view the market is when it's bullish, it is risk on. You're in that moon Lambo going 100 miles an hour, maybe even more. Basically, you're in a rocket ship. You can be more crypto degen. You can take more risks. You can let it fly. But when it's in a bearish market environment, risk off. You take your foot off the pedal. You look in to see if there are any cops, any cops trying to give you a speeding ticket. That's basically the bearish market environment. You're more cautious with your investment. Every time we see this indicator go bearish, we like to do a portfolio audit. You go to your portfolio and say, okay, you know what? If this is really the end, probably not, but if it is, are these the coins I want to hold or hodl in a bear market? If not, time to sell. If you ate into some meme coin or into some token you don't even know the fundamentals on, do you want to hodl this for 2 years? If the answer is no, you might have to sell or take profits. Nothing wrong with that. But if you say, hey, you know what? This is a project I love. I've read the code review on Token Metrics, read the research, read the fundamentals, deep dives, hidden gems. This is going to do 100x. This is one I'm comfortable hodling through the downturn, because who knows how long this bearish market environment could last. If that checks the boxes, then you keep that in the portfolio. So I like to view these bearish and bullish market trends as purely risk on, risk off. Risk on, you're pushing the speed limit, going past the speed limit maybe. Don't tell anybody. Risk off, you're coming back below the speed limit, trying to make sure that there are no cops around to catch you speeding in that moon Lambo, because that's what it's about, getting that moon Lambo. And our market indicator, by the way, is available to anybody. Just log into Token Metrics, go to the market indicator, you come here, market, it gives you this, right? Every time I log in, whether on a webinar or just researching, this is where I start. This is like home base. Risk on, risk off. Risk off, more cautious with your investments or trades. Risk on, you can be more aggressive. You can be more degen. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Token Metrics. Get there using the link down below.